Hello, Teresa here. I hope that you've enjoyed this course and you've baked up some amazing breads. This do-nothing method by Johann Ferrant is a very handy method when you want to have dough to bake up with just a few hours' notice. It also helps you to be able to decide if you want your dough a bit on the tangy side or if you want to keep it mild. The really long fermentation of the dough helps make the bread more digestible, especially to those that have problems with gluten. However, if you have serious problems with gluten and you want to try this method, please check with your doctor first. If you've enjoyed this course, please consider taking some of my other sourdough baking courses available from Udemy. Here are a few breads that were baked with this do-nothing method. Thank you so much. Goodbye.